Hey everybody, hey, welcome back. This is Chris. Today we're going to do a Boston butt on the Pit Boss grill. Look at that. We're going to do it. We're going to probably do it 3 to 5 hours, 350 degrees. We're going to see. All right, the first thing I got to do, I don't have any gloves. I need to I got to suck out that those ashes from the pellets. We'll take all these grates out. I don't have any gloves. I can't find them, so guess what? We're gonna use Walmart bags. They work just as good. All right, move my camera. There we go. Can't see nothing in here, it's pretty dark. So we'll take this out. Man, it's need to be cleaned. I think I'm gonna clean it on the next one. Finger, got my fingers. Yeah, it's gonna be a little windy today. Let's see. See all those ashes? I need to suck all that out, so I just gotta use my regular vacuum. Look at that. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned out. Pretty bad. Need to clean it. I need to pressure wash this thing or something. Needs to be done, but we're just gonna suck it out with a vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's real easy. I'm gonna take my indoor vacuum cleaner that I use in the house. We're gonna use it. Alright, see how clean that is? What we want. Suck it out with a vacuum cleaner. Might be a little windy out here. If you hear wind, it's because it's gust winds up to 25 miles an hour today. But I'm gonna get in here and clean it a couple weeks. Like, really get in here and scrub this thing up. It's dirty. It ain't there. Neglected it. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it. It's gonna be good. Good to go for the summer. It'll be good. Give me a couple weeks and we'll get it cleaned up. Alright, all you do is just put it back in there. Goes in there. So there we go, like that. Move this camera out of the way a little bit. Sorry, gotta move it. I want to show y'all how I clean it. I mean, everybody else does their thing their way. There we go, just like that. This little piece. That's your direct heat right there. I don't want direct heat, I want to do indirect heat, so just put it on top. And when you want direct heat, just move it over. Simple, pretty simple. That's how I'm going to do it today. Indirect heat. All right, now you just put the grates back in. And I'm going to put the top rack on because I need it open. I want it open and not cooking nothing else but the Boston butt. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it so it don't get greasy everywhere. I'm going to put it in the pan. All right, what I got to do, I got to move the grill. I had to move the grill. I was over here. But it's just too darn windy. You can probably hear it through the microphone on the camera. It's just too darn windy. I got to get over here away from the wind. I'm in my carport. So we're gonna do it this way. This thing's smoking, boy. Smoking. Yeah. Oh yeah, you know it's lit up now. Wind's blowing. All right, I went ahead and I put on a microphone to keep the wind out, you know. A little windy, a lot windy, 20 to 25 mile an hour gust wind, so we'll see how this goes. But let me show you what I got here. This is what I got. I got a 3-pound Boston butt. That was the biggest I saw they had, 3 pounds at my local supermarket. So here's what we're going to use today. This is one of my favorites, Bryan's butt rub. It's out of Freeport, Florida. I've bought this stuff many a times. This is one of my favorites. I love it. I love it. Also bought this too. Guy Fieri's Flavor Town Mop Sauce Barbecue. Well, Mop Sauce Barbecue Sauce. I'm gonna try it. Never had it, but we're gonna try it out. Something new. I like to try new stuff, so we're gonna try it out today. So what I did was I washed my meat. I always wash it off. My pork, I wash all my meat off. Wash it off underneath the sink, cold water. Just wash it real good. Bathe it front and back, or top and bottom, however you want to call it. I dried it off with a towel, so it's pretty much dry. So let's go ahead and add our bad Bryan's butt rub. Oh, and no, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Let's see. Put that on there really good. We'll coat it good. So, go there. Rub it in real good. You want to do a good rub? I love to rub it in there. Rub it good. Put some more on there. Well, what the stuff ain't want to do right. There we go. Not left-handed, I'm right-handed. Sorry, I gotta do it with my right hand. Don't shake right. So now I'm gonna flip it over. Do the same thing. I trimmed it up just a little bit. I like the fat in mine. I'm gonna keep that fat on there. I like it. If I can do it that way. Come on, I can't shake it. I can't shake with my left hand for some reason. Now, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna rub it. Put a good, nice little rub on there. Let that dry rub get in there. You got to see, I got all over the place. The wind's blowing everywhere. Maybe this will help with this mic on. Now that I got it seasoned on both sides real good. Some in there. You can put a little bit more on there. Just a little bit. Come on. Get in there. Getting them cracks. Getting that crack. There we go. Look there. Looks good to me. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. Go over here. All right, here we go. We're going to stick it in there with the lid. Pop it in there. Close it. Right now, temperature's at 310. It's going on up. It is 11:22. So let's see how long it takes. All right, it's been an hour. Let's see what she looks like. All right, let's see what she looks like. Been an hour, about a good hour and a half. See what we got. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Coming along pretty good. Yeah. Leave it like that. Keep on rolling. Let's see what that piece of meat looks like now. About 3 hours. Oh God, yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh. Oh, it's starting to come apart. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, it smells so wonderful. Wonderful. Very good eat right there. Very good. Look at this thing. This down here is done. Look at this. Falling apart. This is good. Sorry about that. I had to dip my phone. Look at that. Let's take this thing home. Wow, look at that. Man, I'm amazed by that. Look at that falling apart. I mean, it's just falling apart. Look at that. Get that smoke ring right there. Whoops, let me bring her down. Smoke ring. Look at that. See there? You can see it. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. That's gonna be some. Fall apart. I love it. That's what it's about. 3 pounds to 3 to 5 hours. What was it? 11:22, 3:10. Say 3 o'clock, something like that. I'm gonna taste test it. I'm gonna try this Guy Fieri's Flavortown Bop Sauce Barbecue Sauce. Hope it's good. Don't disappoint me, Guy. All right, we're gonna shake it up. Give it a good shake. Good shake. All right. First I'm gonna do is I'm gonna taste it on my finger, see if it's good. I'm sure it's good. It's gotta be good. He's gonna put his name on there. All right, I'm gonna try this Guy Fieri's Flavortown Mop Sauce Barbecue Sauce. I'm gonna try it. First time. Just saw it in the stores. Oh, just went everywhere. Look at that all over my arm. Ooh. Oh man, it's pretty damn good. All right. So you'll see it. Vinegary. A lot of vinegar taste to it. Oh man, yeah, that's good. It's pretty good. It's got a vinegar taste to it. I like that. Slather it on ribs, chicken, and shrimp kebabs. Okay, well, what about pork? I guess ribs could be considered pork. I mean, it is, but it's same Boston butt. But all right, hey, well, anyway, that was good. Let's try a piece of that. Try a piece of this. Here we go. We're gonna try that. Then I'm gonna try it with the barbecue sauce. Look at that little smoke ring on there. See that? See it? There you go. It's good. Here we go. Oh my gosh. That is delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh, we'll take another bite. I don't need no barbecue. Good. I ain't gonna lie. When we do Boston butt, we put it in the crock pot. We're lazy working. We used to work all the time. We throw it in the crock pot and let it go all day. But I ain't putting it in the crock pot no more. Oh, good. We do because we're just busy. We're busy people. Work a lot of hours. But that's delicious. I hadn't done this. I have never done it on the pellet grill. I've done it several times in the years on the grill, charcoal grill. But man, that's good. That's really good. All right, that concludes the video today. Man, this is awesome. I mean, very awesome. This is very good, very good. I don't know if you got a Pit Boss or other ones, whatever brand you got, use it. You know, you like your brand. I like my brand. I'm all right with Pit Boss. It's good. It works great. It works fine. I've had it for 3 years. It works great. So, no sponsor. These are great products. So, there you go. That concludes the video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.